Let's discuss what food should we eat and what food should we avoid while on the ketogenic diet. The first group is fat, and we should include healthy fat in the ketogenic diet like olive oil, coconut oil, like palm oil, butter, and a few nuts and seeds can also be added in the ketogenic diet. And the protein group will add meat, poultry, egg, and fish can be added while on the ketogenic diet. And in the dairy group, full fat milk and yogurt and other dairy products should be added. Fruits, avocado and berries, only these fruits should be added in the ketogenic diet because other fruits, they are actually consists of more carbohydrates. That's why we will only focus on avocado and berries. Non-starchy veggie group, this group is most important because we take most of our carbohydrates from the non-starchy vegetables. And the non-starchy vegetables that include cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, like cabbage, like broccoli, and celery, asparagus, cucumber, and other leafy greens including spinach, mustard, turnip, beet greens, and sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a fermented cabbage that should also be added in the ketogenic diet. And the last group is drinks. We can take water, a lot of water in the ketogenic diet, and tea can also be tea and coffee can also be taken, but without sugar, and bone broth. So let's discuss what foods should be avoided. Number one is all types of sugars should be avoided during the ketogenic diet. All grains should also be avoided. Grains include whole wheat, rice, oats, other cereals and grains, and other beans. All beans should be avoided during the ketogenic diet. All fruits should be avoided except berries. Starchy vegetables should be avoided like potatoes, like sweet potatoes and peas. These types of starchy vegetables should be avoided. All processed foods like crackers, like chips, like and other desserts like cakes, like cookies, ice creams, and other packaged and processed foods should be avoided during the ketogenic diet. And the last one is beverages. And in the beverages, sodas, all types of sodas should be avoided. Alcohol should be avoided. Tea and coffee with sugar should be avoided. And fruit juices should also be avoided while on the ketogenic diet. So if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will love to answer all the questions.